Am I ever gonna get there? Am I ever gonna get there? I guess we'll see. Am I ever gonna get there? Am I ever gonna get there?
There we go, there's another dust devil. There it goes all the way up to the sky. It's like a mini tornado.
And I heard a man once say, son, you gotta run your own race. Don't you ever stop. Don't you ever stop. Am I ever gonna get there? I don't know if I'll get there.
Join me in this episode of Werner's Adventures for an epic outback adventure. It's a hot, dry day exploring the southern Flinders Rangers. We see the dust devils of the outback, a strong, well-formed whirlwind as it races through the ranges. We also visit the Kanyaka Station ruins, which was a cattle and sheep station in the Flinders Ranges of South Australia. North of the Goyder's line is littered with ruins of the homesteads. It's some of these ruins we will explore. Joining me in this episode are Heather from Come Hither with Heather and Drew from Drew's Adventures.
Hi guys, another old homestead. This one's a bit, yeah, how do you do? But we'll have a look. And I'm finding it really hard to talk because there's so many flies. So it might just be B-roll at this stage, I'm not sure, but I mean, I'll try and talk. Man, the flies are bad. Alright, let's see if we can get into this old farmhouse. There's a bit of a hole there. It's got a be careful here that there's no snakes. Right, we're in. Well, at least the flies didn't follow me in. Oh, they did. Cool, look at that roof. Alright. We'll just have a look.
And there's Werner from Adventures. Jack. Oh, okay.
Got this writing on the walls.
Yeah. Really strange stuff. Oh, I like the ornate ceiling that's left up here. Oh, look at that, folks. See that? That's really beautiful ceiling.
Here we go. There is a cellar down there. Wow. We'll go into this room. Have a bit of a look. Whoa. Well, I just fell through the floor, guys. But it wasn't a massive fall, so didn't hurt myself. A lot of writing on the wall. I don't know if it's good or bad, but I might go into the cellar. Yeah. So.
Yeah, be very, very careful.
Yeah, I almost fell through. So.
Yeah. This one might also have a hollow over here.
There's another old abandoned farmhouse over the road there, so we can walk over there after and have a look at that. Well, that looks about it. We've been in there. Haven't been in this though. Cool. There's a lot of wheat in here. Oh, that's where the fire would have been. Cool.
You just don't want to trust what's down here, but it's a smaller little room. Kind of material.
Alright, well, I'm in this room. The flies have stopped annoying me, which is good, so I can talk now. So let's go for a better look and see what we got here. Yeah, that's the old fireplace. I dig these old homes. They've got so much character to them. Anyway, guys, we're going to go back out to the fly-infested sky. There's a couple of old ruins over here that we can go over. I don't know if you can hear them, but man, They're everywhere. Small rooms. I might just zoom in on them because the flies are so bad. I have to cover my mouth so I don't swallow them. Alright, we'll keep looking around here. Oh, here we go, the cellar. Let's go down in there. Oh, actually, no, I might not go down there. It's a bit of a, yeah, it's a bit unstable actually. Yeah, you won't worry about going down there. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that. It was a short video, but there is so many flies, and yeah, I might get the drone out and just drone this. So we'll see you at the next one, which is just up the road, so we'll see you there. Alright guys, cheers.
Thank you for watching another episode of Werner's Adventures. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. and please leave a comment down below to see more urban exploring videos, and please like and share the videos. You can also follow me on Instagram. Cheers and peace out.